The 1997-2005 Infiniti Q45 uses a fixed-code key fob system, meaning you can program new fobs yourself. This section covers the basics you need to know. Unlike newer cars, no special tools are typically needed, just your key and the new fob. The core process involves a cycle method to sync the fob with your car's ECU. The key fob transmits on a frequency of 314 MHz. We will cover the exact programming steps in the next section, but it's important to understand this system isn't as secure as modern rolling code fobs, and DIY programming is generally for personal use only. Begin by getting in the driver's seat and closing all doors. Next, insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition from off to on position 5 times within 10 seconds, ending in the on position. Do not start the engine. The hazard lights should flash, indicating that programming mode is active. Press the lock button on the new key fob. The hazard lights should flash again, confirming the fob is programmed. If you have additional fobs, repeat step 5 for each fob, up to 4 total. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Test all fobs to ensure they work. Common pitfalls include incorrect timing, which can lock the ECU. If this happens, disconnect the battery for 30 minutes to reset. New aftermarket key fobs are available from brands like Keyless Ride and are FCC compliant, costing $20 to $50 online.